how to fix Sign's problem on the Android Gmail application setup. As you get on that selection to get on the right point, it is simply going to your settings side by tapping on the three dots right here, then scrolling down and going for the settings. And as you get right there, simply if you open up that sideline selection on that mail setup, and as you scroll down you can find out that option or that site which is Sign's Gmail. As you can see, this button is turned on. For some of these reasons, if this is turned off, you need to make sure that it is turned on, because it will take up and will lead you to the main point. As you get back on that selection, the main point right now, after you get done with all that stuff, it is to go and check it out if you have any updates to your Google Play Store for your Gmail. And if you don't have it, simply go restart the application, uninstall it and reinstall it back. And then you can also reinstall or take off that phone setup.